Foolish monkeys. Before several centuries, there was a very large, dense, and dark forest. A group of monkeys arrived at the forest. It was winter season, and the monkeys struggled hard to survive the freezing cold nights. They were hunting for fire to get warm. One night, they saw a firefly and considered it a double fire. All the monkeys in the group shouted, "Fire! Fire! Fire! Yeah, we got fire!" A couple of monkeys tried to catch the firefly, and it escaped. They were sad as they could not catch the fire. They were talking to themselves that they couldn't live in the cold if they didn't get the fire. The next night, again, they saw many fireflies. After several attempts, the monkeys caught a few fireflies. They put the fireflies in a hole dug in the land and tried to blow the flies. They blew the fireflies